not have to pay a deposit when it comes down to the Discover It Student Chrome credit card. The only credit card you have to pay a deposit for with Discover is if you guys are getting that secure credit card. With the secure credit cards, you do have to put a deposit down, but that credit card actually graduates. So I made a video on somebody actually going from $1,000 deposit, getting that refunded, and going to a $2,500 limit. So definitely check that out. But that's the only one where you have to put a deposit down. Now, I told you guys about the Discover credit card in the past a lot. I talk about them a lot because I really like Discover. I like that you guys can pre-qualify for their credit card without a hard inquiry. So I definitely, let me share my screen because I want you guys to see the card that they were talking about. They were asking did they have to put a deposit down, and they did not have to put a deposit down on this card, but it's a great card if you guys want to actually get it. So here is my website, Rickita.com. That Discover credit card that they're referring to is actually here, the Student Chrome card. Now, again, this is the Discover Student Chrome card. It is not a secure credit card, so you don't have to put a deposit down. And if you don't have any type of credit history, you don't have to worry about getting denied because they can actually approve you still for that credit card. Let me make sure that it was definitely that. Actually, it was a Chrome gas and restaurant card. But the only the credit card you have to put a deposit down on, like I said, is this card here. Let me see. It is going to be this one, Discover It Secure credit card. This is the only one that you have to put a deposit down. The other credit cards, you don't have to put a deposit down on it. You should just be able to get it without having to put that deposit down on